30 seconds to 45 minutes. 30 seconds to 45 seconds. Hey, it's Living with Shana. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. I'm glad you're here. I would love for you to join the family, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So in today's video, I am going to be making Indian Naan, which is a bread which looks like chapati. If you're from East Africa and you know what chapati is, yes. It's kind of like tortilla, but it has like a little bit of like, I don't know how to explain. It's beautiful, it's yummy. I love to eat my naan with chickpeas or like with any type of sauce. It's really good, and you can even eat it like that. Sometimes you could even make it like a sandwich with the naan bread. I love it. Let's get started. For this recipe, I am actually going to be linking below all the ingredients that we're going to be using. We're going to start with half a cup of water. I'm going to warm up the water. We're going to add the yeast and the sugar to get that yeast developing, or that yeast rising. Just going to put like 30 seconds to 45 minutes. 30 seconds to 45 seconds. So while that is getting ready, we are going to measure our yeast and sugar. Add yeast and sugar. Mix it together and set it aside while we mix our flour. So in my mixing bowl, I am going to be adding my flour. So I have been baking a lot with brown flour, with wheat flour, but for this purpose, I am going to use regular flour, all-purpose flour, so 2 cups and 1/4 of that. One teaspoon of salt. You're just gonna mix that together. Okay, looks good. To that, you're going to add your mixed yeast. Plus 1 tablespoon of olive oil. So you're gonna mix it slowly. As it comes together, you're gonna increase the speed gradually. Our dough is ready. It looks really beautiful. So we're just gonna roll this dough out. A little bit of olive oil in there. Put it outside. And I'm just gonna drop it there. Cover it and let it sit for at least 45 minutes to 1 hour before we get it ready for the fire. So here is the dough after almost 2 hours. Just going to press it to remove the air. Then we're going to cut this into 8 pieces, 8 equal pieces. Just going to use a cutter, a pizza cutter. And then for each piece, we are just going to roll that into a ball. We're going to cover this and let it sit for 10 more minutes. 10 minutes later, this is what we have. We are going to turn on the fire while the cast iron gets warm. We're going to roll this. Just place that there. You are not going to roll over. You're going to roll and just pull it from side to side. So let me show you. I'm just going to go. I'm also going to add some fresh cilantro on mine, just to give you that little kick of beautiful smell and look as well. Press that down. So I'm just going to dip my fingers into water to help me pull this. Flip it I like to use a brush to just brush water over. This is gonna help you with like the bubbly part of it. Just place that in. You're going to cook on medium to low for about 45 seconds, 30 to 45 seconds. That's exactly what you want to happen. So our naan is ready. I also melted some butter with garlic, so it's pretty warm now. You want to serve this when it's freshly made. Just gonna spray that on top of the naan, and it's just gonna bring out that flavor, that beautiful flavor. Yes. I usually like to eat my naan with like chana masala or with some soupy type of food. I have some leftover beans here. That's what I'm gonna eat mine with tonight, so I'm really excited. As you can see, I've already warmed my beans. I hope you enjoy learning how to make this naan. Comment below what you think, and hopefully if you try this recipe, let me know. Click that like and thumb up if you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you have not yet done so. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.